Greetings of the day. Today I, Adya Singh of class 9th A is here to narrate an extremely interesting story in the Kingdom of Fools written by A.K. Ramanujan. Have you ever thought how amazing it would be if you could get all your favorite food items for a single coin? Not just that, imagine walking in the night and sleeping through the daytime. That sounds almost impossible. Well, almost, because in the Kingdom of Fools, this is exactly what happened. Why? Because the king was extremely foolish, and so were his ministers. He didn't want to run the kingdom like other kings, so he made these strange laws. One fine morning, a sage, along with his disciple, came to the Kingdom of Fools. They were surprised by the queerness of the kingdom. The wise sage at once left the kingdom, but the disciple decided to stay for the cheap food. He ate to his heart's desire and grew extremely fat. One bright morning, a thief was killed by a wall while he was trying to escape. The thief's brother went to the king and complained. The king called for the merchant whose wall had fallen. But the merchant said, "My lord, isn't it fault of the bricklayer who built the wall?" Now the bricklayer was summoned to the court, but he said, "My lord, I was distracted. A dancer was going up and down the streets again and again with her anklets jingling. It really distracted me." Now the dancer was called to the court, but she argued, "My lord, the goldsmith won't give me my jewelry, so I had to go up and down the streets again and again." Finally, the goldsmith was called, but he replied, "My lord, there was this rich merchant who forced me to make his jewelry first, so I couldn't give the dancer her jewelry." The merchant turned out to be none other than the original owner of the house. Now justice had come in full circle. He was given death penalty. But it appeared to the king the merchant was too thin to be executed on the stake. So the whole kingdom was searched for a fat man who fit the stake. And well, they found the disciple. At that moment, he remembered his wise guru's words. "This is a city of fools. You don't know what they will do to you next." And magically, at that moment, the guru appeared there. He scolded the disciple and whispered something into his ear. Then he began pleading to the king, "My lord, put me to death first." The disciple understood and he followed. "No, me first, me first." The king was very confused as to why they were fighting to be put to death. Then the guru told him, "My lord, this is the stake of the God of justice. Whoever is hung on the stake first will be the next king of this kingdom." The king did not want to give up his kingdom, so he and his ministers put himself to death on the stake. Now the kingdom was free from the foolish king. The people decided to make the guru the new king. He removed all the strange laws. The kingdom prospered under his guidance. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.